How to join friends in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to join friends in Among Us. It's a simple process, so follow the steps carefully. Firstly, it's important to note that whether you have iPhone or Android, the process is equally straightforward. In my case, I'm using an Android device. First of all, open the Among Us application on your device. Upon opening the game, you will be on the home screen where you can customize various settings. You can navigate through options like Play, Shop, News, My Account, Friends, and more. To join friends specifically, click on the Play button in the top, then select the Online tab on the right side. You can choose to join a public server to play with friends or enter a private lobby by entering the lobby code provided by your friend. If you're creating a lobby, click on Host and Create Game. You can receive a lobby code which you can share with your friends. Copy and paste this code to join the specific lobby. This is the current method to join friends in Among Us. I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.